Good morning, everyone. Today we will present the different production systems, their concepts, and some examples. We hope you like the video, so let's begin. We know that a production system are all the procedures or factors that allow the raw material to become a finished product ready for consumption. Among these factors, we have the raw material, workers, machinery, technologies, among others.
Time function of manufacturing process output. Continuous system. Continuous manufacturing, sometimes called flow manufacturing, is one of the main types of manufacturing approaches. It means that a product is made non-stop without any interruption or pauses within batches. In fact, continuous processes have been the norm in some industries for nearly a century. Continuous production has a long history in iron production, where facilities can run uninterrupted for years. It's also the norm in the petrochemical industry, as well as some food and beverage process. Here are examples of continuous manufacturing industries and products: oil refining, metal smelting, paper, pastes, some foods and beverages like peanut butter. Discrete manufacturing. Discrete manufacturing is an industry term for the manufacturing of finished products that are distinct items, capable of being easily counted, touched, or seen. Discrete manufacturing involves parts and systems like nuts and bolts, brackets, wire, assemblies, and individual products. Examples of products made from discrete manufacturing include automobiles, furniture, airplanes, toys, smartphones, and defense systems. In theory, a discrete product can be broken down at the end of the life cycle, so its basic components can be recycled. Types of transformation process. Assembly system. An assembly system is a working arrangement where individual components are combined and joined to form a unit that may be further integrated with other components to create a final product. Most noticeable examples of assembly systems are watches, televisions, cell phones, assembly lines, and assembly cells. Non-assembly system. Materials are processed to produce individual parts of components. This type includes machining, molding, and fabrication. Examples of non-assembly system: fork, spoon, and straws.
Production volume. Production volume is defined as the actual amount of product obtained by the company in a given time horizon. It is divided into three different types. The first is mass production system. The products of mass production systems are characterized by a homogenization similar to those of continuous flow production, a high product turnover in the market. They usually include individual parts that must be assembled by means of a chain process that works from machines. They are mainly characterized by what is the manufacture of large quantities of the same product. Some examples are televisions, production of compact disc. The second type is a batch production system. Batch production is a production system where a limited number of products with identical characteristics are produced. The batch or discontinuous system is used when the demand for a product is not large enough to manufacture it continuously. Some examples are makeup, medicine, shoes. The third type is the jobbing process. Are used to manufacture a single or low-volume product to customer specifications. The product is moved to locations where processing resources such as equipment are located. Examples of using a jobbing process include custom tailors and precision engineers. Examples include jewelry invitations.
Production planning and inventory policies. Make to stock is a manufacturing strategy in which production planning and production scheduling are based on forecasted product demand. Products made during one production period are used to fulfill orders made in the next production period. An example of a make-to-stock business approach is a large video game company like PlayStation or Xbox. The success of previous consoles that they have created gives the two companies confidence in future products. As such, the recent launch of the PlayStation 5 and Xbox One was made to stock. Make to order. This production method is typically used for highly customized products that are manufactured in small quantities and products where stock holding is very expensive. Examples of highly customized or configured products are automobiles, special machinery, industrial plants, and aircraft. Assembly to order is a business production strategy where products that are ordered by customers are produced quickly and are customizable to a certain extent. It typically requires that the basic parts of the products are already manufactured but not yet assembled. For example, a PC maker that receives order and then assembles customizable computers using components like keyboards, monitors, and motherboards is using an assembly to order strategy. Engineer to order is a type of manufacturing where a product is engineered and produced after an order has been received. Using the engineer to order method, a manufacturer can meet the exact specification of their customer. For example, a fancy manufacturer might allow customers to choose everything from the precise shape of the picket to the spacing between pickets and use various materials to create a design that's one of a kind.
Workflow. Workflow is divided into four classifications, which are job shop. The job shop is a type of process-oriented manufacturing system. The elaboration of each product can take different sequences of processes and machinery, so they are usually grouped by functions. There are usually small manufacturing systems. It is characterized by general industrial machinery to meet diverse orders focused on industrial processes, welders and milling machines. For example, craft workshops, restaurants, mechanical machining companies, a painting shop, a commercial printing press, and other industries that manufacture custom products in small batches. Project shop. The manufacturing process generates a specific or customized product for a customer. Therefore, it requires a high dose of planning to suit the buyer's need. Its advantages are meets the customer cost estimate and delivery times. Optimize processes so that the cost remains low. It manages human resources as this system is labor intensive. For example, a stadium, a road, a bridge, and a platform of oil. Cellular manufacturing system. Cellular manufacturing is a manufacturing process that arranges workstations and equipment in a sequence to enable products to move through the manufacturing process with maximum velocity while minimizing waste and logistical effort. A subset of just-in-time and lean manufacturing, cellular manufacturing aims to arrange equipment, machines, parts bins, tools, and workstations to accommodate an optimized flow of continuous production from one cell to the next. Flow line. It is a set of operations performed in the process of making a product. This happens sequentially by having machinery and personnel distributed in the different work areas of the factory. The products made under this type of production are transformed from raw material or parts that need to be assembled, transforming them into a final product intended for the final consumer. To conclude, we mentioned the different types of production systems. where they are compared with each other with respect to their qualities. It is worth mentioning that all these systems are involved in companies, some more than others, depending on the line of business of the company. Production systems are also a key tool in a daily life. In a company, this system tells us how they should be used to later combine them with different production factors and thus have a transformation where the result is good or service. This system helps us meet the needs of the demand in a company, so it is very important to know their meaning and what each mechanism uses in the different system, in order to understand how to use them and get the most of them. Better benefit to our production chain. Thank you very much for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this video.